Two birds, one stone, backyard garden.
¿Cómo estamos? Today we're planting some raspberry, thornless raspberry, dwarf raspberry. Only grows about 3 feet tall. And you know what the best part is? I got these plants for free. And that's what I want to talk to you about today is how you can get free plants.
As you watch this video, you're going to see me in the background just planting these guys out and how I do it. I'll explain a little bit, but I'm going to concentrate on the free plants and how you can get free plants in your area.
I'm just going to dig it up, I'm going to burn it, and then I'm going to put the little bit of rabbit manure that I have on it for fertilization, doing it all free. I don't want to spend any money. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's going to be beautiful. Raspberries grow very easily.
Here is your knife.
Here's the machete. We got this at a yard sale, right, Emmy?
Yeah.
What are we going to use it for?
I don't know.
Something. We'll use the machete someday.
I'll bet you that if you look in your social media account, your Facebook account, you can find a plant swapping group near you. Joining one of these groups, or actually just even if there isn't one in your area, creating one of these groups is guaranteed to create community and get free plants.
Oh, now I get it, Papa.
Yeah.
Oh, like grow and grow along.
Yeah, it's going to grow along the edge and it'll be raspberries. And they only grow about this tall. Yeah, because they're dwarf raspberries. And look at them. Do they have thorns? No, they're thornless.
Can I just...
My second piece of advice is to join your local orchard society. Being around people that are dedicated to plants will get you free plants.
Not with your hands.
I'm going to burn it too now, Emmy.
What? Wait, why are you going to burn?
To kill the weeds.
Fine. Manga is still pretty good, guys.
Watch out, fella.
Facebook Marketplace. That's what I want to tell you about. If you were to have some plants that you could trade, offer them up on Facebook Marketplace as a trade, and you'll get hits. People want plants, and they want to trade.
You should be very, very careful.
Check out the free section of Craigslist. Craigslist is still active, especially with older people that, don't change with the times, don't want Facebook. Craigslist has free plants, and if you put up a trade offer on Craigslist, you'll get people that want to trade with you, and you'll have a constant partner to trade plants with.
Nice little bud coming off that. Look at that. Thornless. Only gets to about 3 feet tall, supposedly. Perfect little hedgerow. Perfect little step over raspberry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He told me.
He told me.
So cocky.
It's a pleasure to have your kid out in the garden with you. It is.
If you see a yard sale and you see that they have nice plants in their yard, ask them if they have any plants they could break up or if they wanted to sell. Often people will just be happy to share their plants with you, but you gotta speak up.
You know what we're making this video about, Emmy?
What?
About how to get free plants. Does your dad get free plants sometimes?
Yes,
I get it on Craigslist, I get it on Facebook Marketplace sometimes. But the Facebook groups, that's where it's at.
I feel like he's actually not going to.
Why?
I want to thank my new friend Sarah that I met on a local plant swap group, Facebook group, for these beautiful dwarf raspberries. Thank you very much, Sarah.
Free, expensive, thornless dwarf raspberries. Hell yeah. Or heck yeah. Rabbit poop mixed with some straw that's just going to sprinkle it around.
I can be pretty shy when it comes to asking for things for free, but most people are just totally willing to give plants away. But you have to speak up, you have to ask, and it helps to have other plants to trade, to swap. The most basic piece of advice I have to get free plants, to acquire plants for your yard, is to speak up, to ask. Church groups, granges, dance halls, dance parties, I don't know, but you have to talk and you have to ask. All right, here's my primary raspberry patch that you're looking at right there. I've got 2 different varieties of spring bearing and a couple of primocane bearing Caroline raspberries right there, the darker colored ones. Got to get a great crop this year. Keep putting them in. Raspberries is one of the best plants to put in right away because you get the reward very quickly. It's not like blueberries that take several years. Raspberries are quick, and the reward is amazing and fresh and great. As I watch my videos, I kind of look around my yard and I think to myself, this doesn't look so pretty. It's not aesthetically pleasing, but that's why I encourage you to join this channel, to follow, to comment, because you're going to watch me turn this yard into a new paradise. It's my goal. I want to have my own paradise, especially after this pandemic. Concentrate on your yard, make your vacation your home, invest in your garden.
Hey guys, so thanks for watching 2 Birds, 1 Stone Backyard Gardening. I hope you learned something. I know it's pretty simple advice, but sometimes you just don't think of it. You just got to speak up and ask for what you want. Free plants is what you want. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.